With the state of Minnesota in financial trouble, it's working harder than ever to catch tax evaders. And instead of using hundreds of accountants with sharpened pencils to do the job, it's using these magnetic tapes and computers. It's part of Project Fair Share and is designed to catch those who understate their tax or those who don't file a state return at all. The tapes are purchased from the Internal Revenue Service and contain the names of all of us who have filed a federal income tax return. The computer compares that information with the state revenue figures already gathered on us and kicks out the names of prospective tax evaders. Cheaters face a 20% penalty, plus the tax and back interest on the money they owe. A high-speed laser printer types out letters requesting a return to be filed within 30 days or to explain why a return wasn't filed. The State Revenue Department will mail out 10,000 of the letters next week. Since there is no statute of limitations, once an evader has been caught, there's a chance returns from other years will also be checked.
I think a person who has not filed returns should be aware of the 20% interest rate that took effect in February, because that can be very expensive to them. It would be best if they came forward now and filed the returns for the missing years and not play the roulette with the state, because the computers will catch up with them.
Since it began last summer, Project Fair Share has already collected $8 million and is expected to result in the collection of a total of $38 million by next year. Very cost-effective for a project that the state is paying $1 million to run. Revenue officials say catching tax evaders with the aid of these computers will help all of us in the long run, because if we all wind up paying our fair share of taxes, the state can reduce the amount of tax that we all have to pay. At the State Computer Center in St. Paul, Joe Casella, News Center 11.